Hey boos, welcome back to the channel. If you are one of my loyal baddies, if not, consider hitting that subscribe button today. Make sure that you leave a like, leave a comment. Go ahead and become a part of this community because it's lit over here, okay? So, my name is Jasmine. I'm an all-cash budgeter. Today I will be cash stuffing my last paycheck for the month of October. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. How is everybody doing today? How is your October going? Seems like October just flew by. If we're being honest, since I graduated high school, it's like time is just, it's just not on our side, you know? Trying to make sure to enjoy life because I'll be headed to the grave in no time. It's just like time just flew by. Alrighty, so today I'm doing a cash stuffing of my last October paycheck from my budgeting business. I've had so many questions about this process, so I'm going to break it down. If you already know how everything works, just fast forward like 2 minutes, but I have to do this for my new people. So, again, all this stuff is available on my site. First things first, I get paid. Bills come out. They're auto-drafted. I do not cash stuff those. Those stay in my bank account. I pull out everything else. $1,100 is typically what I pull out after bills. I go ahead and write them down so that there's a visual representation and y'all don't think I'm a bum. But then I go and do cash envelopes, sinking funds. Next year I'll attack debt, and my savings challenges I do in a separate video, so I don't really use this slide, okay? After I've completed this sheet, I move over to this sheet, which is the sinking funds breakdown. I take the amounts that I'm going to stuff, and I add them along with the categories here. So, for example, my savings envelope will be getting $110. So I know I need a $100 bill and a 10. Retirement's getting 200. 200s. Emergencies getting 25. A 20 and a 5. You come down to the bottom of this sheet. You write down the totals. So there are 6 $100 bills, $600. 6 50s, $300. 8 20s, $160, and so on and so forth, so that you know, and then you can go ahead and add them up, make sure that this amount here matches this amount here, and you're good to go. Once this sheet is complete, you grab your little cash breakdown, your teller slip, and you apply these numbers here to your cash breakdown. Write down the amount just to be kind to your teller, write down the total, send this up with your card or the cash or whatever, and give it to your teller. They'll send it back with the right amount. It makes it easy for them so you don't have any issues and you have the exact amounts that you need to cash budget. I hope that helps because I got that question a bunch lately. So let's get into it. Because I filled this out on paper, I'm gonna actually use this today to budget. Hope you don't mind. I hope y'all can see it. So very first here, we are going to go through our cash envelopes. And again, this wallet will be available soon, y'all, along with some of the goodies from inside. Alrighty, so in my extra envelope, I'm going to be adding $25. There's nothing in there, so we will just be stuffing it. And y'all, these new colors, these new holographics will be available for Black Friday and released with these binders, along with these new fonts that you've been seeing on my stuff. Groceries has some money left over. We have 20, 40, 50, 1, and 2. I'm going to take the $2 and put it towards my $1 savings challenge, but this 50 is going towards my credit card to pay back for Instacart. So 2 groceries will be adding $50. Again, it's probably going to be the same deal. I don't really have a lot of time to go on grocery shop lately, so Instacart it is, or like a grocery pickup. And I just went ahead and changed my dining out envelope to DoorDash because that's what I use. So I've only got $3 here, so instead of paying my credit card back, I'm just going to put it in my $1 challenge. Okay, and to my DoorDash envelope, I'm going to be adding $100. That is just realistic for my life right now, y'all. I know y'all are probably like, that's ridiculous, but hey, don't argue with me, okay? Don't argue with me about it. Argue with your mama, okay? Laundry is not getting anything. And gas will be receiving $20. Probably won't even need that because I haven't even left my house in like 4 days. I took a time to rest today, but my rest days are YouTube days, so that's that, y'all. And again, I'm going to make some acetate paper for you guys, some different options for people who order my wallets. They will probably come with envelopes, I'm not sure yet, but I will be making expense trackers and teller slips and possibly some little inspirational cards for you guys to add. I'm working on that this week, okay? I'll get it together. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and cash off our sinking funds. You may not be able to see these. Sorry, y'all, but it is what it is today. So, to our savings fund, we are going to be adding $110. Remember, we always pay ourselves first. And we always pay ourselves 10%. I feel like that's a good methodology for anyone, no matter how much or how little you're making. That way you always have something to fall back on. You are important. You deserve to have savings. 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So that makes 4,000. 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 67, 68, 69. 4,269. I haven't updated my trackers, y'all, so I can't check myself. But I will do that after this video. Alrighty, so we are on our way to 5K in there, which is really good. Retirement will be receiving $200. Remember, this is my next goal envelope. I want to get it maxed out by the end of the year, which means getting $6,000 in my IRA. So we're adding 200 into here. So our new total is 2,000. 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3,000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 58, 59, 20. So we have $3,920 in our retirement fund, which is good. I'm so excited. For someone who has never been an investor, who has like cashed out 401ks from jobs because I was broke, like, whew, child, that's good to me. Y'all might be rich investments, but I'm not. So our debt fund, we're going to be adding $100. Again, remember, at the start of the new year, I'm going to start attacking student loan debt. So you'll start seeing this envelope increase as well. So 1,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 7, 750, 770, 775, 780. So $1,780 in debt. What I'm going to do is get as much money in this envelope as I can before January 31st, which is the cutoff date for no interest. And I'm going to make a big payment on my student loans. And then I'm going to start. I want to show y'all what I've made to do it, but I don't want anybody else to see them and get inspired until I start using them. So I'll wait. So new whip is actually not getting anything. So I'll just put this back. There is $7,500 in here. And this will, when I do my cash exchange, this will go back into my savings account and this envelope will come out because I no longer need a new whip. Emergency will be receiving $25. This is another one that has been a slow but sure grower. I'm hoping to maybe move it up to $50 a week because I do want it to be able to cover 6 months of expenses. 1,000, 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 790, 795, 801. So $1,801 in emergency. I'm super excited to add my savings challenge money to that fund. So that'll be fun to do at the end of the year. Medical will be receiving $25 as well. And again, I'm hoping to buy a health insurance plan for myself because I'm now an employee of my business. So trying to get this bulked up. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 870, 890, 900, 905, 910. So if you work in health insurance sales and you have any tips or tricks for a self-employed individual, my business is technically an LLC. Give me any tips or tricks. I'm always willing to research and learn some more. So family time will be receiving $50. My younger niece is coming down this weekend for Halloween, so I just needed to have enough money to get a room. She wants to do a staycation. 100, 200, 250, 255. So hopefully this will get it. If not, I will pull some from vacation. And then I have a rollover money envelope, which I'm actually going to put this credit card money in until I get to my bill wallet. This is a new envelope, y'all, just so that I be having money just laying on my desk and no. And then whenever I pull money for savings challenges and it sits here, to keep it separate from my cash envelope money, I'm gonna start keeping it in here. So that's all for these funds. And again, I know a lot of you guys were asking me about this binder. I'm trying to find a new way to do customs that doesn't require Instagram DMs. I think I'm just gonna have to set prices for certain ones and then just add them to the site. So I'll keep y'all posted. All right, up next is our peekaboo envelopes. And up first we have our miscellaneous funds, and they will be receiving $25. So our new total in here, 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. So we have $175 in here now. All right, our travel envelope will be receiving $20. No plans on traveling anywhere anytime soon. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 20, 9, 40, 9, 60, 9, 80, 9, 90, 995, 1,000, 1,001, 1,002. So travel actually needs a 1K slip. $1,002 in travel. Happy to be building that back up after our Oklahoma trip. My essentials will be receiving $50. Trying to build this fund back up as well. 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350. Sometimes it feels terrible spending money out of these funds, but it's really the point, you know, to have it there when you need it. Gifts will be receiving nothing. It's doing okay right now. I don't have anything coming up. Christmas will be receiving $25. Grab a 20 here and a 5. So our new total in Christmas is 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 790, 810, 820, 825. So we are $175 away from 1,000. And honestly, I don't even know. The kids haven't even really asked for anything, so I don't even know what to buy this year. It's crazy. Rico, which is my pet turtle, will be receiving $25 as well. Y'all, he is loving his new tank. I need to take a video of him in there and post it. Like, he is just in hog heaven. 100, 200, 3, 320, 340, 360, 370, 380, 385, 390, 395. He has so much more space. And I got him some new lights, so he just lays up there and basks. He's so cute. I just love him. Car insurance is $50. Alright, now we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 6, 620, 640, 645, 650. So $650 in car insurance. Car maintenance will be receiving $50. So our new total in here is 102, 3, 350, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So we have 580. So I got my windows tinted. I got my car detailed. I'm going to discount sometime this week to look. I think I'm gonna probably need a new tire. So there's some money coming out of that fund. Boobies will be receiving, it's a normal 50. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 950, 1,000. Woo! I can feel the back pain relief now. Lord Jesus. Come on, booby fund. Bills will be receiving $100. It already has 100, so that makes 2. So I'll throw that into my bill account. That's just for, like, my Sprint bill gets expensive sometimes and it goes over what I budget, so that kind of covers it. The electric, and I'm getting ready to change Wi-Fi's because mine sucks and uploading videos takes forever, so yeah, there's that. So to my month ahead, this is unbudgeted, but I found this $20, so I'm gonna add it in here. Somebody probably bought something. So 100, 200, 250, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 10, 20. So 420. And so someone asked me to explain the month ahead fund. So this is to get a month ahead on bills. So meaning if something were to happen and I needed to pay a month's worth of bills, I could pull this and it would cover everything I needed to cover for the month. So if you wanted to create one of these, just calculate your expenses for the month. I also included my cash envelopes, a month's worth, and so this should be able to cover that, the amount, your end goal amount, for the person who asked that in my comments if you're watching today. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and add these dollars to my $1 savings challenge, and I think that's all I have left. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll try to answer it in the next video. As always, everything that I use, probably 95% of it is linked in the description. If not, it's on my website. Have any questions, drop them down. I'll get to them as I can, typically on weekends. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your